So I got the new litter box with the like open top instead of the dome that most traditional ones have. However, one con that I don't like is that their little butts can hang out and then they make a mess on the outside. I do like the waste basket underneath is much larger compared to the traditional dome that most of them are. This one does rotate backwards, so it's gonna rotate this way. And on the back here is where it plugs in and there's a fan that kicks on back here and a deodorizer. This is an air freshener and it blows the air freshener air around. So that helps to eliminate odors from it. Overall, I like the open top design better. It's easier to take it out and clean it. I just don't like how they're actually able to fall out of it. It's a little bit small. I do have a 23-pound cat, so that makes it a little bit more difficult. So then you can see there's also a min and maximum line back there that shows you how much litter to put in it. And then everything falls underneath into that waste bin. And as it rotates back around, it actually tips all the way forward to put the litter back in place and then resets down to level for the cat.